Automatic packing machine BG37 to pack short dried pasta as fusilli, rigatoni, penne, mini shell, and much more. Ideal also for legumes, sweets, spices, dried fruits, and many other granular products. Once the product is dosed, it is transferred directly into the bag produced by the reel. Simple to be set, fast and precise. With our BG37, you can use also recyclable film with a very thin plastic layer. You can separate the two layers of the bag and recycle paper and plastic separately. The lateral exit belt allow to optimize the space. Through the touchscreen you set the weight, the bag's length, and all the parameters. In addition, it's possible to view the different weights performed. Many optional and customizations are possible. Simple, fast, and reliable. You just have to change the recipe to pack another product, or with the same product you can have bags of different weights and lengths. Our BG37 is a reliable and versatile machine. For more information, visit our website www.C.I.A. C.I.A. Italian Packing Machines. Since 1986, we dress your products worldwide.